Today, while all industries are upgrading under the propelling by new technology, the globe has come to the turning point of neo-industrial era, and the consumption is upgraded by economical development as well. Not only people's living standards and lifestyles has been dramatically improved, but also their highly demand for the safety, hygiene, and health from foods more than ever, along with the whole procedures from raw materials to food processing. As being a China's leading food industry total solutions provider, Gelgoog has been striving for making food production simpler and safer, and helping food industry upgrade their automation level and production efficiency through advanced management experiences and scientific procedures. Gelgoog provides our customers with reliable solutions by aiming for machine production, food packaging, etc. within food production processing step. Gelgoog has maintained a steady and rapid growth over the past 15 years. By providing its over 6,000 clients from food production industry across 120-plus countries with its professional services and solutions. In South Asia, Gelgoog ice cream cone making machine have helped its clients newly add million-level productivity. In North America, Gelgoog nuts roasting and vegetable washing machine have helped clients reduce their labor costs tremendously. In West Africa, Gelgoog provide nuts processing and French fries processing equipment with industrialized solutions. In Europe, Gelgoog provided customized solutions to facilitate clients to produce individualized foods. Gelgoog has received many positive comments from clients through allying with reputable companies such as Unilever, Zhongliang, Cargill for so many years. Being an executive director entity of China Food and Packaging Machinery Industry Association, Gelgoog has been rated as one of the most influential brands in China food machinery industry in the area of science and technology innovation. We own several brands such as Longer Machinery, Hackin La 5-Star Chef, Hackin La Food Machinery, and Kanki Packaging Machinery, etc. Gelgoog owns its own independent scientific research institute, which has built up good cooperative relationship with Hunan University of Technology and Zhengzhou University of Light Industry in the area of scientific research. Due to university's superior resources, Gelgoog's scientific research capability has been greatly boosted, which has resulted in granting several technological patents in fully automatic roasting machine, fruit and vegetable washing processing equipment, and fully automatic frying machine, as well as software copyrights of peanut butter production automatic control system, programmable automatic deoiling control system. In food processing and restaurant fields, Gelgoog has run multiple business, including shelling, peeling, roasting, powder grinding, and butter grinding and other nuts processing machinery, producing breads, ice cream cones, cookies, spring rolls, etc., multi-production occasion pastry processing equipment, plus fruit and vegetable washing, drying, freeze-drying, fruit juice and fruit jelly processing, and other fruits and vegetables processing solutions. Based on customers' requirements, all food processing and packaging services of Gelgoog can be customized to fit their individualized needs. Gelgoog's product lines include vegetable washing processing, nuts processing, pastry processing, etc. machines, food packaging machines, commercialized kitchen equipment and seasoning and ingredients, etc. In instant nuts processing, French fries processing, banana chip processing, dehydrated vegetable processing, ice cream cone processing, etc. fields, Gelgoog owns sophisticated technology and solutions which has been widely applied in global market. Gelgoog always persists iterating techniques and constantly improving in the area of safety, reliability, low energy consumption, and green environmental production, which has widely earned customers' recognition and good word-of-mouth branding. It is well known that any first-class products originated not only from scientific designs and superior techniques, but also from lean management in all production steps and details. Gelgoog's factories strictly follow 6S management system, ISO environmental system, quality control system, and health management system in every step to ensure product quality. Gelgoog engineers will provide professional and individualized designing solutions in accordance with customers' needs. As soon as the order is received, Gelgoog will engage in detailed production plans, full visualized production, selecting fine raw materials suppliers in order to ensure product quality right from beginning. Gelgoog insists on selecting global famous brands such as ABB, Siemens, Omron, Schneider, etc. as its spare parts and component suppliers. Gelgoog strictly select food-grade stainless steel products in whole-set machines and apply food-grade PU materials in all conveyor belts. Gelgoog factories are open to clients for reviewing production progress, in which promoting standardized production and monitoring every step of production. All over the world, Gelgoog not only commit to on-time delivery, but also provide clients with in-time feedback consulting services. Customers can visit factories, exchange ideas either on-site or through internet stream to monitor order production in real time. Looking out, Gelgoog believe restaurant, food, and machinery shall encounter whole new development, in which innovation driven by technology, deeper fusion with industry led by IoT and 5G new technology, both will better serve society with better products and solutions and make food production simpler and safer.